Good morning everybody, we're back for another sketch session. I am going to try and use my timer a little bit better so that everyone else can use it along with me. This was the last one that I did using the highlighter pens, and I really like how that came out. I think that was fun because it was new, and also it's very out there, I guess. But anyway, today I am drawing horses. So if you're going to sketch along with me, pause the video, grab your references, whatever you like, and then we can get started. So I'm going to do five minutes each. We'll see how many I get done. Just having a quick drink. Let's go with the first one. I think I am going to do... Oh, geez. Decisions. Does anyone else have really a hard time deciding what to draw sometimes when you've got choices? I've got 4 pictures in front of me. I'll put them up on the screen. But deciding which one I want to do first. I think I'm going to do the one that's bucking, and we're going to start the timer now. Whoops. Now. There we go. So you can see it on the screen, you can hear it, and you can draw along as well. This might be a little bit too short, we'll see. Alright, so my horse's butt, just going down this way. Oops, making it too big. That's fine. That's a big horse. Let's just do our shapes, get really messy. I didn't do a sketch yesterday because I had other things that I wanted to do, and I knew that I had a few recordings set ahead of time because I'd like to actually do these on the day. I don't want to be ahead, but the truth is that I'm not going to get to do them every day because stuff happens. So you'll see me sometimes just draw a line seeming random, but it's just for me to try and gauge proportions a little bit better, although I think this might be a lost cause already, which is fine because I'm going to have fun. I love drawing horses. I've already had 2 coffees this morning, can you tell? Oh gosh, I really love coffee. Not that that's what I want to talk about, but it's also made my throat really dry. Whoops. Oh well. So we've got one there, and we should have one here. We kind of actually no, that's a bit of an angle like that, getting awfully close to the edge of the paper. Actually, that's, looking at it even more abstractly, that's a box right here. So let's just draw a box. Yeah, this pencil's too short. I need something to hit the back of my palm. I wish it was money, but it's not. It's going to be a pencil. I don't know where that came from. But let's have fun. All right, tail. Reinforce them light. 2 minutes. I actually forgot that I set the timer because the last couple of ones haven't been set. They've just been in general. All right, we need to get a move on. So we've got 2 minutes, but I could easily waste my time just focusing on small details because for some reason I find every detail equally as important as any other detail, which makes drawing sometimes really hard, frustrating. Oh, just like my throat. Maybe I should shut up for a little bit. Oops, change pencil angle. Let's go for a couple of contours. I used to to draw horses a lot of that. It looks terrible. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sure I didn't even draw this bad when I was a kid. Oh God. All right, let's go with it. Oh God, this is going to be in the Hall of Fame of bad horses. Oh, what happened? Honestly, what happened? I lost something somewhere along the line, because that is something to behold. I think it's because I don't know. Let's just have fun with it. Let's just put this all behind us. Oh, it's surprising. It is surprising sometimes. I mean, I promise I don't draw this bad all the time. I really don't. Sometimes I just don't know what happens. But it's a source of amusement. It used to be a source of frustration for me, but I can laugh at it now. It's a source of amusement for me now. Oh gosh, that's just what happened. 11 seconds. There's no saving this. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. All right, first 5 minutes is done, people. I hope your drawing turned out better than that. Oh gosh. I'm sorry. I'm really amused and also slightly horrified. I know I haven't drawn horses in a while, but seriously. All right. This is where we're at. Okay. I've got to accept it and move on. I don't know how, but let's just do the horse head. Next 5 minutes, getting ready, start now. All right, let's see. God. Can I redeem myself? I don't think I can. I'm surprised. I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm shocked. I mean, I'm not upset because I'm just not. I've got a different relationship with my drawings now, so this type of thing doesn't bother me as much as it used to. I just can't get over that. It's just... okay, let's just... I'm drawing like I'm 12. I mean, I used to draw horses in school when I was a lot younger, and I mean a lot younger. And I used to think well, actually, I remember that I used to be terrible, and with practice, I ended up getting it. But I also had this stencil kit of horses, and it was a plastic stencil, and you could trace inside the lines, and it will guide you where the lines are supposed to go. And that really helped me figure out where I was going wrong in my proportions. Obviously, I could use one of those right now, but I think I'm just rusty. To be fair, I'm just rusty at the moment. This horse has got a big nose. Yeah, so, and that was really helpful. And after I practiced with that for a while, I did see an improvement. And that was encouraging for me because at that age, I loved horses. I just thought they were the greatest thing ever. And I'd also moved out into the hinterlands. It wasn't really the country, it was just hinterlands, I guess, because it was starting to be developed, but you could still buy acreage. And yeah, that's where I lived for a year or two. And we did have a horse, and I loved it. I was riding it before we even had saddles because I just wanted to start riding, so I just jumped on the horse. It's amazing how carefree you can be as a kid. But yeah. And at school, I went through a stage where I pretended I was a horse. I don't know if anyone else did that or if it's just really a strange me thing. But I did. And one of my friends used to pretend to run around with me. And we used to run around the school neighing like horses. Complete idiot children, but we were having fun. But also, when I was in school, I didn't have much stamina. I used to do cross country and we'd be running for ages and ages and ages. And I had so much trouble with I'd just start hyperventilating and I'd lose my breath and I'd get dizzy and I'd just get really tired really quickly. I don't know why. Just wasn't as fit as what I wanted to be. So I used to pretend that I was a horse galloping along, and that actually helped me. I guess it was a mental coping mechanism. But yeah, the things we do as children. That nose is too big, but I think it gives the horse a little bit of personality. Definitely not an Arabian, because their nose goes the other way, it goes that way. Oh, that's too long. That is really too long. I've got a minute to go. How would I fix this if I wanted to fix it? Mm-hmm. 40 seconds, everyone. Hope your drawing is going better than mine, and if not, I hope you're able to have as much fun as I do with the bad ones. Oh, I just can't get over how bad I'm drawing this morning. It doesn't worry me. I hope it doesn't worry you when it happens to you. If it does, just remember that you're not your drawing. There we go. That's our second session. Let me just grab a drink. Could be the coffee too. Maybe I can blame the coffee. That first one, oh, that's going to go down in the Hall of Fame for me. All right, let's do this lovely horse here. So we've got our third 5-minute session starting now. Oops, now. Right. I am having fun. Just putting that out there. I hope you're having fun. But I am going to try and break this down into shapes first. Because clearly, well, actually, you know, I don't have to. This isn't, you know, I'm not trying to win any awards here. I'm actually trying to have fun. And I am having fun because I'm drawing so badly that it's kind of fun. And I think I'm doing it again. I think this is what happened with this one, is that I thought the head was too big. And so I tried to shrink it, but I shrunk it too much. It's kind of funny. All right, let's see what we can do with the body of this one. Channel my inner child. Can I redeem myself? That horse is just fun. That first one, that is just so bad. I love it. I really do. I hope that you guys can do that as well with your drawings. You don't have to keep them, although I will, because that's almost as funny as the original head drawings that I was trying to do a while ago and made a mess of it. I ended up making my own meme over it. What, 2 minutes? 2 minutes, okay. This is also the fun thing about sketching, is you get to explore some of those memories. When you sketch things that remind you of good memories. Don't really want to be sketching the bad ones if we can help it. No, sometimes you can't help it. No, sometimes it's good to get that out as well. But yeah. Also, I think everyone should do it, even if you can't sketch. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. We've got just over a minute to go, everyone. I love the colouring on this horse. Well, the shapes of the different shades of his coat. Quite interesting. Very cool. I love drawing pintos and horses with different colours. I just think they're so interesting. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep. All right. Can I fit another one in? I don't think I can. And to be honest, I really wish I could. But I think I will leave it there. Sometimes you want to do more, and that's a good feeling to leave off on, so that hopefully that can be carried on to the next morning, because I'm not sure what I'm going to draw the next time, but you know, I had fun this session, so I'm looking forward to the next one. I actually want to keep going, but I don't want to spend too much of everyone's time. So this is our drawings for today. Just put the date down here. I hope you date yours as well. December 23. I have to check my dates after I lost a month a couple of weeks ago. And we'll say these are 3 times 5 minutes each. All right. I'll see you next time for the next drawing session. I hope you will join me. Keep drawing, everyone. Bye.